In this tutorial, I'll show you how to stretch text in Canva. Start by opening Canva and going to the design where you want to edit your text. If you're on the Canva homepage, open an existing design, or create a new one first so you have a canvas to work on. Once your design is open, go to the left side panel and click Text. This is where Canva lets you add text boxes, headings, and other text styles. Now add a text box if you haven't already. You can choose a heading, subheading, or body text, then click inside the text box and type your words. After that, click directly on the text so it's selected. You should see a bounding box around it, which tells you Canva is ready to edit that text. Next, look at the toolbar across the top of the editor. This top bar contains the formatting controls for the selected text. Depending on your Canva version, you may see a spacing option directly, or you may need to click the small drop-down, or More option in the text toolbar to find it. Once you find spacing, click it. This opens the spacing controls, which let you change how far apart letters and lines appear. Now look for letter spacing. This is the setting that creates the stretch text effect by increasing the space between each character. Drag the letter spacing slider to the right to stretch the text wider. As you move it, you'll see the letters spread apart on the canvas in real time. If you want a more subtle result, move the slider slowly. A common beginner mistake is dragging it too far, which can make the text hard to read. If that happens, just move the slider slightly back to the left until it looks right. You may also notice a line spacing option in the same area. That's only for the vertical space between lines of text, so for stretching text horizontally, make sure you're adjusting letter spacing, not line spacing. After that, click outside the text box to preview the result. If needed, click the text again and fine-tune the spacing until it matches the look you want. One more thing to keep in mind, increasing letter spacing stretches the text visually, but it doesn't actually scale or distort the letters themselves. If you want the text to appear larger overall, you can also increase the font size or resize the text box after adjusting the spacing. And that's how you stretch text in Canva. Thanks for watching.